Oh, wow. Wow, 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 wow.
Bags is on the beat.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl CurlyBeauty period, aka Alexis. Hey boo, welcome to the gang. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And you guys don't want to miss any of my videos. My returning subscribers, you already know I love y'all. So we are back at it again with another hair review. BulaDou has sent me some of their hair, so thank you so much, y'all. They sent me a wig. And I actually did a review on their hair on my channel previously. So if you guys want to go ahead and check that video out, make sure you go ahead and look at that. And this hair that I'm currently wearing right now is Ali Pearl's body wave hair. I just pressed it out. And you guys can use my code CB. Now, this is pretty much just going to be an unboxing on the hair that BulaDou had sent me. I'm not even going to lie, y'all. I got a little curious. I wanted to see what was in here. So I kind of opened it already, you know, but I'm still just going to like reopen it for you guys. You know, I just wanted to see what it was about. I'm like, all right, everybody loves some blonde hair, so I got to look at it. So they did send me some hair in a box that looked like this. BulaDou is a vendor from Amazon, so that's good. And plus they have Amazon Prime, so you guys can get your order in a day. I literally got my hair in a day. They are amazing, so I will leave their link below and you can check them out on Amazon. They are also known as Julia, or it's actually pronounced Julia's hair. Julia's hair. So don't get confused if you do get a box that says Julia hair, because I remember the last time I ordered from them, I got a box that said Julia and I was just like I thought this was BulaDou. So they go by both names just to clear the confusion. So I'm opening the box. Oh Jesus, okay. And they sent me a nude wig cap with 2 pieces. They also sent me some lashes, and yeah, they look like this. So I typically don't wear these lashes, but you know, some people do. I mean, they're not bad looking, they're just not something that I will wear. And here is the tea. This is the wig, y'all. This is their blonde wig, okay? And this wig is fairly new. It's their blonde wig with dark roots. This only retails for $36.99. It's synthetic. That's the only thing. It's not human haired. I'm just gonna try this baby on. I'm gonna take the hairnet off. And it comes with like this thing under it. And we got to remove my wig so you guys can see what this wig is looking like. All right, let me zoom this out. Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna take my wig off. This is what the wig looks like on the inside. And they don't have any clips, and it is not a lace front, so I will not be able to lay my baby hairs. That's the only thing. They do have this, let me see. Yeah, that's like pretty much the lace at the top. So I'm gonna have to like put some type of concealer in my part in order for it to look natural, because it's not like, you know, yeah, I don't think I can really part this and it will look I don't think, yeah. This is what the part looks like. It already has a part sort of going on in there. It's very small, so I'm definitely gonna have to pluck that out to make it look somewhat natural. They do have adjustable straps on the back. I have no clue how to work these adjustable straps, and you guys can see those. These are the adjustable straps. So, you know, if it is too big or too small, too tight, can, you know, figure that out. I just don't know how to personally do that. Oh wow. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, So I seen somebody say that this isn't a wig that should be worn as a middle part, but honestly it doesn't look that bad as a middle part. You can kind of like finesse, but I do see what the girl was saying. Like, yeah, I kind of got what she was saying, like maybe put it on the side. So this is the wig on my head, and as you can see, like oh, hold up, like this is what I mean where I said I can't lay my baby hairs. It's not a lace front, and it's just looking like this. So yeah, I would have to lay my own hair down. So first impression, for this hair to be synthetic, it actually feels really, really soft, y'all. Like, boom, period. I don't know how many inches it is. I'm about to check. So it says that it is 24 inches. So I'm going to just stand up and show you guys how long it goes. And I'm 5'3". I say this pretty much in every video. And wavy hair is naturally going to like go up. So, but when I stretch it, it does go like past or like to my butt. So that's T, that's good. I'm actually really, really liking it, y'all. Like, honestly, I like it. The only thing is I can't lay my baby hairs, but other than that, you could just plop this on if you want to go to a club real quick, if you want to go to a party, you want to take pictures, make a video. Like, I wouldn't suggest wearing synthetic wigs every single day just because it can get nappy and everything, but it don't look that bad, okay? Especially because I didn't do anything to it yet. This is just what it looks like straight from the box. So I'm about to go ahead and try to customize this a little bit, and then I'm going to come back to you guys and, you know, see what I can do to it. This wig is giving me life. Like, who do I think I am? Girl, who are you? Somebody's calling me. Hello? Hey girl, I'm gonna call you right back. I'm actually recording a video.
Okay, alright.
Okay. Alright. So, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I don't know if you know the difference, but I did customize my part. I put concealer in it and I did pluck it out. I don't know about y'all, but with synthetic wigs, I have a hard time plucking it. I don't know if it's just harder to pluck it for me. So yeah, I try to, you know, pluck my part, and I use a wand curler to like flatten out the top, because I know with synthetic wigs it can get a little humpy looking, so I like kind of flatten the top out so it wouldn't look too bad. And I just took this wide tooth comb and I just started from the bottom like this and kind of work my way. I heard that when synthetic hair gets tangly to use water. Like, I don't know how true that is, but somebody at the hair store told me that, and ever since she told me that, I was like, you know what, you're the GOAT. Because all this time I just been like throwing my synthetic wigs away thinking it's ruined, but I could have revived it this whole time just with water and a wide tooth comb. And then apparently it's going to revert it back to its original quality, or if not, at least a little better than what it looked like. With this hair, I can say that it is bomb, y'all. Like, honestly, this is only $36, y'all, and I look like a whole new bitch, okay? Who am I? Yes, I don't even know. What should we call her? But just know that I do love her. She's really cute. She's not heavy, she's not tight either. Like, this is not suffocating my brain, giving me a headache. The cap is very stretchy, so like, I guess it fits, you know, all sizes, because it does fit snug on my head. Like, it's not tight and it's not loose either, and that's why I like it. It's just perfect, and it just feels so light on my head. I didn't know about it at first because blonde is pretty scary to play with. Blonde can either make or break a person, so I'm not even gonna lie, I was scared of her at first, but you know, we did something and she looks bomb. Now this curl pattern is kind of like wavy slash curly, and as you see, like when I like wrap the curls around, they like turn into curls again, or you can just brush them out and get waves, but I like curls, so that's why I like spin it in a circle to try to make that curl. I was going to get creative and try to do a baby hair, but you know, I didn't even, yeah, that's a no. This is her, guys. Like, I love her so much. Let me turn around so you guys can see her from the back. And how, you know, where she stops. So, oh, okay. The things that I like about this hair is that it is super long, it is super cheap, and it is not rough. Like, synthetic hair I know can feel really, really rough, but this doesn't even feel rough. It does feel soft. I mean, with time it may start to get a little nappy, but remember what I say, guys, use that water and use your Y2 comb to like comb it out so it can go back to its natural, I guess, quality. And the other thing that I like about this hair is that the cap, I love the cap. Like, it's not too tight either. It fits perfectly to my head, like perfect. So that's another reason why I really, really like this wig. And the only cons about it is that, you know, it is a synthetic wig. So as we know, we can't always wear synthetic wigs because, you know, eventually it will have its time. I think I will be able to plop her on pretty much if I take photo shoots or, you know, make YouTube videos, go out for a night. I don't mind bringing her out because she is giving me life. So I definitely advise you guys to buy this wig. And another thing is, you know, you can't lay the baby hairs down, but it's still cute, you know. So I would definitely give it a shot, especially if you're looking for blonde hair that is on the low. Give it a shot. And if you guys have any more questions about this hair, make sure you comment below so I can answer your questions. Other than that, I definitely recommend this hair, okay? Like, yes, it's perfect. It's bomb. Like, nobody could tell me a thing in this wig. I'm going to, like, I look like a whole different person. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can be updated with future videos and, you know, more videos. I have so much more coming for you guys. And if you have any more questions, like I said, about this hair, comment below so I can answer them. So thank you so much, BulaDou Hair, and thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you so much. Bye.